welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading and knowing some of the terms related to insurance, so decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family, as here on this channel we tell you the basic things in the simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. Define travel insurance. Travel insurance is an insurance product for covering unforeseen losses incurred while traveling, either internationally or domestically. Basic policies generally only cover emergency medical expenses while overseas, while comprehensive policies typically include coverage for trip cancellation, lost luggage, flight delays, public liabilities, and other expenses. Insurance companies issuing will often exclude coverage for ongoing known events to new policies and may announce long-term exclusion for specific events such as volcanic activities from the currently active volcano. A travel insurance is a risk-based product. Many policies will include events which may be of far-reaching and poorly quantified risk, such as pandemics and endemics, act of war, and terrorism. Some policies exclude travel to certain countries or part of countries where a greater risk is expected. These determinations are often made based on official government travel advice from organizations such as US State Department or Australian Department of Foreign Affairs. Certain countries require foreign visitors have proof of sufficient travel insurance as a condition for granting a visa or approving visa-free entry. This includes travelers applying for the Area or UAE Pass visa and all visitors to Cuba, Turkey, and Belarus. Thailand and Egypt have announced plans to introduce similar requirements. Tour companies and cruise providers may also require passengers possessive a minimal level of travel insurance before the traveler can commence their journey. We really hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational, knowledgeable videos on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.